Hello. In this demonstration, I'm going to create an electronic gradebook in the Canvas Learning Management System. First, we're going to go to the course that we want to create the gradebook for. We're starting in the dashboard screen, so I'll just click on the course. Now we're in the course page, and I'm going to select Grades over here from the left menu. And this is our default view of the gradebook. We can see you have your student name, secondary ID if given, assignments. And we haven't created any additional assignments yet. If you come over to the settings in the upper right corner and click the arrow, now we see some options to customize for the gradebook. View history, hide student names. If you click that, then you can see here if there was a real student name there, and now it has disappeared. If, for example, you just want to view by ID and remove any potential bias. You can arrange columns by due date, by points. Treat ungraded as 0. That may be a selection that you want to use. If you treat ungraded as 0, then students may become a little concerned or upset if it looks like they have an F or a lot of zeros throughout the grading period. What you may want to do is go ahead and deselect that so that doesn't happen. And then a couple other settings that are available there. Canvas also offers an individual view, which we will select here in the upper right hand corner. And now this is how you can view a student individually, one at a time. Select a section. So if we're looking at that course, sort assignments. And we see here we have the same options that were available in the default, and any changes that are made here be applied to the course gradebook as a whole. So again, I want to make sure that's deselected. We can select any of these. You also have the option to download or upload scores as CSV files. Again, this is if you wanted to look at an individual student. We could select the student there and select the assignment you want to see. So I'm going to go back to the default view. And again, let's go ahead and create an assignment for our gradebook. So I'm going to go back to the main page for the course, and now I'm going to go to assignments. The first thing I want to do, we go up to the upper right again and select group, and we're going to give the group a name. So let's call it week 2. Depends, these are kind of like folders or however you want to group your assignments. You may want to do it by like all quizzes, all essays, or the way I chose by weeks. But as you can see, now we have the group, but no assignments. So I'll go ahead and click the plus here. Or another option, you could actually do it up here by clicking plus assignment name. We'll do here, I don't want to do that in all caps. We'll do week 2 discussion. Here I can add any instructions regarding the assignment, any other additional information I want to provide. We can assign the points. We'll say it's worth 5 points. Now here, assignment group. I want to put it in the week 2. Display grade as percentage, complete, incomplete, points, letter grade, GPA, or not graded. That's important. For example, if it's an assignment that I don't want calculated in the final grade, then this is where I can indicate that so it won't. Again, here's another check. Do not count this assignment towards the final grade. We have options for submission type, online, on paper, if that's important. We can select, is it a group assignment? Does it require peer reviews? And here we have options to who we want to assign it to. Maybe if you're doing some differentiated learning, or certain groups get one assignment and another group gets a different assignment, you can select who you want to assign it to. The due date, see, we'll make it due. Or if I want to set an available from or available until dates, we can do that as well. So this time I'll just hit save. Okay. Save. And now want to go to grades. Let's go back to the gradebook, and we can see there's now an entry for the week 2 assignment. And so I can begin to enter grades there. So that's how we create and customize our electronic gradebook for the Canvas platform.